Welcome to class, and let us look at this interesting exponential equation. And it reads here that 2 raised to the square root of x equals x, and we are requested to solve for x. Actually, this question, or the value of x, has 2 solutions. Using algebraic method to solve for x here will give you 1 solution. Okay, but to get the other solution, we will need to apply the lambda w function. But in this video, I'll focus on the algebra. So let us get started. So here we have, first of all, let's make x squared equals y, just to make sure that our work process is easy. So which implies also that x will definitely be y squared, and that's in a case whereby you square both sides of this equation. Okay, so all we just need to do now is you have 2, then represent the square root of x as y. So here you have y, then equals represent this x as y squared. So here you have y squared. So what then do we do? All we just need to do now is I want to bring this 2 over as an exponent to the base of 2 and take y, which is an exponent, to y, which is also the base here. Alright, so what we just need to do first, I want to move 2 first. I want to raise both sides by the reciprocal of 2. So this gives us 2 raised to y, all raised to 1 over 2, then equals y raised to 2, all raised to 1 over 2. So at this point, this clears of this, so we are left with 2 raised to y over 2, then equals y. So the next thing we just need to do here is to raise both sides again by the reciprocal of y, so that we'll be able to move this y over to y here. So here we then have 2 raised to y over 2, all raised to 1 over y, then equals y raised to 1 over y. So at this point, this y clears off this y, so we are left with 2 raised to 1 over 2, then equals y raised to 1 over y. So at this point, considering the 2 sides of the equation, and by comparison, you can see that 2 here is raised to its reciprocal, while y here is also raised to its reciprocal. So to this end, y equals 2. But take note, we are requested to find the value of x, and take note that y here, or x rather, equals y squared. So let's just make that. So here we can see x equals y squared, and y here is 2. So here you have that x equals 2 squared, which is what? 4. So x equals 4 using this method. However, using the lambda w function, you get to have 4 and 16 using the lambda w function. Alright, if you love what I've just done, kindly like, share, and don't forget to comment. And if you also have other method that could easily give you 4 and 16, kindly share in the comment section. Thank you and remain blessed. Bye bye.